Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix hotspot not working on Ubuntu. So it's a very simple process to solve this problem. Just look at our first image, check Wi-Fi adapter. Simply type this command and simply check your Wi-Fi adapter. Then we can simply move into our second image, check internet connection. Simply type this command, ping space dash c space 4 space 8.8.8.8, and you can simply fix the problem. If this fails, fix your internet connection first. So for that, we're going to check our network manager. Simply type this command and then you can simply see your network manager. Is it running or is it dead? After, we can simply enable Wi-Fi. For that, we can simply type this command and then here this will be open or enable Wi-Fi. If it's blocked, then it will also show you the blocking option. And if it's blocked, then you can see there is another command, sudo space rfkill space unblock space all. This will unblock your blocked Wi-Fi. After that, you can simply allow sharing, type this command and then type your IP forwarding number, and then you can simply get it. After, you can simply check your firewall. You can simply type this command and you can simply check your firewall, and then you can simply create your hotspot by simply typing this command. After, you can simply verify that your hotspot is running or not. So for that, you can simply type this command and then you can simply check your IP address by simply clicking on this command. After that, if you want to restart your network manager, you can simply type this command and check your network manager. After, you can simply check your logs by this command, and then you can simply make your IP forwarding permanent from these two commands. Okay, so I show you all the commands and all the example output. You just have to perform them into your terminal, and if you face any kinds of problem, then you can simply comment below. I will going to help you there step by step. Thank you so much again. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.